What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows 11 laptop faster. So the first thing, click on the Windows button and then click Settings. After that, click System and look for Storage. Once you click Storage, you're gonna find Storage Sense Off. Turn this one on like this, so it will automatically start freeing up space and delete temporary files in your Windows 11. So once you do that, click on Privacy and Security and click General. Turn off the first choice, which is let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. We don't need that. Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. We don't need that. So uncheck or turn off all of them. You can keep this one if you want, but for me, I will just I will keep this one. So click Privacy and Settings again and click on Speech. If you don't use online speech recognition, you can turn off this choice and go back to the Privacy and Security page. Click ink in and type in personalization and turn off this one if you're not using it. For me, I will keep this one. Go back and click Diagnostics and Feedback. So I will turn off this one because I don't need this one. We can go back now to the privacy page and click Activate History. So we don't, for me, I don't need to store my Activate History on this device, so I'm gonna click Turn Off. Go back and click Location and turn off the location if you're not using it for such apps, and go back, click Camera. If you're not using your camera, you can turn off your camera. I use my camera, but sometimes I don't, so I will just turn off my camera for now. Go back to the page and click Microphone. I use my microphone, so I don't need to turn off that. Click Notifications. If you don't need notifications, you can turn off this one, but I won't, so I will keep it. So basically, if you don't use some of these applications, you can just turn them off. For example, like contacts, I can turn off this one. Phone calls, I don't need this one. Messaging, I may keep this one. So once you finish that, click on Gaming and you can turn off the game bar if you're not a gamer, or like you use your laptop for productive things. You can turn off this one. For me, I do games, so I don't need this one to be turned off. And once you do all the steps that I showed you guys in this video, your laptop gonna be much faster than before. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you guys on the next video.